Grabe. That is actually new. Nando Babo Kabalen, welcome to Pampanga.
Yes, for today's vlog, nandito tayo sa Clark, Pampanga to check out itong Japanese restaurant na bagong discover natin.
Guys, you're gonna love it. It's an authentic Japanese cuisine that they are serving here. If you're into those kinds of food, guys, you gotta watch this out. So, yun, if you wanna know more about this, samahan niyo po kami.
So tara, let's go!
This is our table. Actually, partial pa lamang sa mga isa-serve nila sa atin to. But we want to share with you guys kung ano so far yung mga na-prepare nila, and at the same time, how much are they? Because grabe, so what we've discovered here, authentic Japanese cuisine at a very affordable price.
Actually, isa sa mga pinakamurang Japanese price nila dito.
Alright, so let's have a rundown, guys. On my left, so meron tayo ditong beef tepan. So this is 390 pesos only. Meron tayong tofu steak. Ayan, 290 pesos only. And then lastly is the chicken teriyaki, only 290 pesos. Para sa akin, no, if you're gonna order this, shareable for 2 persons, tapos order ka ng rice bowl.
Add ka na lang ng rice, pwede na.
Yes, sir. Now we also have mga curry. So meron tayong gyu curry is 300 pesos only. And then yung katsu curry naman is 295 pesos only. Isa sa mga interesting dish na pinrepare sa atin is this one. So this is their curry fry. First time ever ko actually makakatikim ng oyster na fry. So usually it's fresh from the shell. But this one, very different. This one is only 440 pesos for 5 pieces.
So ito yung kanilang Japanese fried oyster.
Yes, sir.
So syempre, di mawawala dyan yung mga gyudons natin. 290 pesos. And another is yung kanilang katsudon na 280 pesos.
So it comes with their soup.
Yes. This is their miso soup.
Miso. Yes, sir.
Syempre sa mga rolls naman natin. So meron tayo dito yung kanilang CHIISAI IZAKAYA special.
Yes.
For only 390 pesos.
Wow.
8 slice na siya. And yung kanilang spicy salmon maki. This one is only 300 pesos. Matitikman din natin yung kanilang mga ramen. Meron tayong shoyu ramen for only 290 pesos.
Wow.
Tantan men is only 320 pesos. And yung kanilang tonkatsu ramen na 295 pesos.
As low as 290 pesos. That is super sulit na para sa mga ganitong Japanese caliber.
And take note, they're authentic Japanese ramen.
Yes, sir. Okay, I can't wait. Let's start. Hirap.
Hirap. Kasi pa yung tatlo kinakain. Pero my husband likes the tonkotsu ramen.
Alright.
Spicy ako yun. Dandan mo yun eh.
Husband daw, husband. Just to give you a trivia, eto sinabi na ng owners natin, CHIISAI means small. Because look at the place, ayan. Ayan, maximum of 20 people can be accommodated here, pero it's like a hole in the wall. So guys, ano naman yung mga skewers nila for the dip or to taste. So meron tayong option, either yung parang teriyaki sauce nila or just plain salt. Ayan, so according to our orientation, as simple as plain salt. This is going to be delightful. So ayan guys, let's taste it. Wow, it's so tender. I'm actually also impressed, no? So yung chicken natin is actually juicy. Hindi siya dry, guys. I'm impressed. And as simple as salt lang, pwede na siya. Sobrang flavorful.
Ooh, chicken teriyaki.
Look at that. Mentioned earlier, first time namin maka-encounter ng fried oyster. Let's check it out. Yeah.
Let's try it.
So ako naman guys, titikman natin siya. Yeah. There you go. There you go. There you go. Very interesting. Actually, you are munching crunchy oyster, but inside it, creamy, no? Very creamy. Actually, yung ano natin, yung dip natin, it complemented kasi sour naman siya. So a little bit sour, salty, and sweet. And then yung inside, it's creamy.
So, same time, nandun pa rin yung ano, taste ng oyster. Yung medyo may pagka...
Dagat.
Sea taste.
Sea taste. Oo, parang nandun pa rin yung dagat na taste. So, I'll have another one. Ayan. Grabe. That is actually new.
Cheers.
Cheers.
We are so full. At the same time, experience namin yung full flavor ng Japanese.
To give you an idea, this, kung ano yung sinerve nila, ito lang yung mga typical street food nila sa Japan.
Exactly.
So talagang, ito yung mga ma-enjoy mo talaga sa street nila. And dito mo yan matitikman sa CHIISAI Izakaya.
So hindi to yung parang tailored to Filipino tongue or Filipino palate, parang ganyan. This is how it is in Japan.
Yes.
No?
CHIISAI Izakaya is open from Tuesday to Sunday, 11 a.m. to 9 p.m.
Also guys, they have mga Japanese alcohol, beers. For us, this is really
Place to
rewarding.
go.
No,
Yeah.
napakasarap na ano.
Another place to go dito sa may Clark, Pampanga.
Alright, so yun guys, we're still gonna enjoy this off camera, but if you got interested and if you like the food you saw in this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. We hope to see you here. This one is a treasure.
Yes.
Yun guys, thank you so much for watching We're in Pampanga. Until our next discovery.
Peace out.